All right, happy Filthy Friday, everybody. Today I worked on changing my purge valve in my Jeep. I've had this check engine light on the dash. So if you look underneath, there's this little plug, and it's actually on all cars. I've just never really noticed it before having to work on a car. So I have a diagnostic machine here that you can plug in and turns on. Then you want to go ahead and turn over the engine, turn on your car. So I've had to go through a couple things, press a few buttons, and found out that the P0441 code is my purge valve and evaporative system. So I ordered a new purge valve and canister. When I went to go pick it up, they only had the purge valve. The canister is the thing that my arm is resting on in that video. I had to get my step stool out so I could reach and going in, try to take the lines off. It's actually very difficult. It's not supposed to be this hard. It's just hard for me because I did a lot of mudding, so it's pretty stuck on there. So I took some Tide liquid detergent and really tried to soften all of the mud and dirt and grime, and it finally slipped off. You're going to want to use this for your new purge valve, so make sure that it is totally cleaned out. That's my dog, Monty. Alright, so as you can see, it is totally dry, it looks brand new, and I'm going to put that on my new purge valve, which is kind of hard to do while I'm filming. And then you want to make sure that you take that mounting bracket off of the old one and chuck it if you want to, because we don't need it anymore. But seriously, you want to keep that mounting bracket. Put it on the new one. You're going to slide it onto that piece there. Now you have everything connected and you are good to go. So just slide it back on to that piece. And it does bounce around a little bit because it is on plastic, and that's okay because you want it to give some give when you're going over bumps and whatnot. So make sure you snap all the lines in really, really securely, making sure you get it all the way in, and then snap the top piece back on. Alright, now we're going to go back into the car, plug in that diagnostic reader again. This time I want to use it to erase the check engine light that is on my dashboard. As soon as I erase it, we're good to go. And every few, maybe like 100 miles, give or take, the computer will reset. And if I have the check engine light come back on, then I will go ahead and replace the canister as well. So I'm erasing the code, and now the check engine light is off, which is great. So I will check back in. Hopefully it stays off. If not, then I will be back for our next project. Again, this is not a how-to or a tutorial by any means. This is just what I did. If you happen to have a Jeep Wrangler TJ, then here's a way to maybe save some money at your own risk. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.